فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم وجعلنا قلوبهم قاسية يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ونسوا حظا مما ذكروا به ولا تزال تطلع على خائنة منهم إلا قليلا منهم فاعف عنهم واصفح إن الله يحب المحسنين. ومن الذين قالوا إنا نصارى أخذنا ميثاقهم فنسوا حظا مما ذكروا به فأغرينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة وسوف ينبئهم الله بما كانوا يصنعون.
Is there in the worldly life and in the hereafter evil and a sickness except that its cure, except that its reason and its cause is sinning and disobedience? Meaning, there's no evil in this worldly life and no sickness in this worldly life and in the hereafter except that its cause is sinning and disobedience. And as we said, commenting upon the statement which is often repeated, it's only sins. And we say sins destroy nations. Ibn al-Qayyim continued. He said, فَمَا الَّذِي أَخْرَجَ الْأَبَوَيْنِ مِنَ الْجَنَّةِ? What is it that caused the parents to be removed from paradise? Dar al-lidha, an abode of delight, wal-na'im, happiness and splendor and joy. And they were removed from this abode to the land of pain and sorrow and calamities. وَمَا الَّذِي أَخْرَجَ إِبْلِيسِ? What was it that caused Iblis مِن مَلَكُوتِ السَّمَاءِ to be removed from the kingdom of the heavens? And that which exiled him and cursed him, what caused it? And that which disfigured his apparent appearance and his inner self. What was it that caused his image to be the most ugly and repugnant of all images? And what was it that caused his inner self to be the most ugly and repugnant of all souls? And what was it that caused a state of nearness and closeness to become a place of remoteness? And what was it that caused mercy to be replaced with a curse? And what was it that caused Iblis to be changed from a state of beauty to ugliness? And what was it that caused paradise to be changed and replaced with the hellfire that lights? And what was it that caused Iman to be replaced and changed to disbelief? And what was it that caused the love of Allah, Al-Wali Al-Hamid, to change into the greatest type of enmity and hatred and opposition? And what was it that caused the humming of tasbih, glorification, and the tahleel, magnification, to be changed to the humming and chanting of disbelief and shirk and lies and false testifications and evilness? And what was it that caused the gown of Iman to be changed to a gown of disbelief and sinning and transgression? And what was it that caused Iblis to become worthless before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And what was it that caused Iblis to fall before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And what was it that caused the anger of Ar-Rabb Allah, the Most High, to come upon him, and therefore he was lowered and humiliated? And what was it that caused him to be hated with the greatest hate, and he was mocked? And what was it that caused Iblis to come as a leader for every fasiq, sinner, and every criminal? And therefore he was pleased with this leadership, the leadership of the sinners, after he had been in a state of worship and a state of nobility And then Ibn al-Qayyim said, فَعِيَادًا بِكَ, and we seek refuge with you, O Allah. Allahumma, O Allah, we seek refuge with you from opposing your command and committing something you are prohibited from.